culinary school. Unfortunately, if we compare, I don't know what happened to Kenya. It is really lagging behind with their partners in uh, Tanzania and Uganda. They are coming with a Rwanda for very good culinary schools. Very high, huge investment because I am doing that, so I know that. Secondly, there is another one is in Tanzania is coming up. But if we really see our infrastructure over here for culinary school, it's really run down, totally run down. So we are open to that. You can contact us anytime if you want to bring students to see what is there. They want to do some sessions and all that. We have no issues.
Yeah, we also have.
And also, you told me how Sheffield is going into the more regional wise. Yeah, yeah, I can say that's true that we are in Kenya, we are in Rwanda, we are in Uganda, we are in Tanzania. Yeah, we have offices set up over there. Still, yeah, you're right. When I see at my figures that out of this million, what is the percentage? Nairobi is attractive. Yeah, it gives me what you have said is the exact word. 65% I get from Nairobi. 10% I get from all regional including Mombasa, and 15% I get from all exports. What we are doing is like Nigeria, this and this, whatever is there. Yes, we have plans, The only problem is to getting the right persons to, we are having plans that we have already, like Sheffield is old, maybe I'm sure, you are having office in Mombasa? No, not yet. Okay, we are opening an office in Mombasa very soon. Then we are talking about having some services type of offices in Eldoret, Kisumu and on Nakuru side. So that's in future plan how we are growing. There are two things, the election is round the corner. So everyone is being skeptical. So we also want to put our balls in the right court. So we know that the next year most business is coming from, they say Rwanda, Uganda and Tanzania. We want to consider because we don't walk. I'm sure that 2017 is going to be a tough period for us, so we are preparing from there. So I'm sure in 2017 later you will see our offices over there and also the presence. So Sheffield is, I can say it's a bit a shy company in terms of most of the orders we are getting from referrals. Yeah? I'm the GM for the company. I hardly really goes out and look for clients because I'm really busy with the business I done and the guy's referrals. I'm sure he is also onto the same thing that as soon as we do one business and the client get the reference. Yeah? Like if I have done one Somali guy business, I'm getting like 7 or 8 Somalis guys business. So it's like more of a community. I've just done one in town, second in town, third, fourth, fifth because they're investing. So it's more sort of that. But now we are getting very aggressive in e-marketing. The sites and everything, what you are saying is, Sheffield, you can, now, because I have seen the differences in the last 2 to 3 months. Let's say you guys don't have to come over here. You go to my site, you can see each and every product visual also. You can put it into the cart, you can send us the inquiries. We are able to revert to you onto that. So by the technology we are trying to reach into the businesses. Also we have the after sale services. I'm sure that it becomes a bit expensive. Maintaining a technical team. And when he says we have 5 or 10,000, sometimes are expensive. It's more of our overheads, because the services what we are giving is that if you require a technician at 4 places, at Mombasa, Eldoret, Rwanda, Uganda, everything is from Kenya, and then we have 4 complaints from here. We have to put everything from here. So sometimes it becomes like if I have a 1 free year service, that is for Nairobi, there is no cost. But if it is in Eldoret, we says at least you have to give us for the transportation, that's all, in case anything.
So the turnaround time can be more than 2 hours.
Obviously, yeah. For anything, it is as soon as we got the complaint, it is going to be like whatever the distance is at that time. It can go to next day also, because we don't have an office over there. Like for Mombasa, before we have for 1 day, but now in Mombasa I have a technician and I have a salesperson. The turnaround time is 2 hours. So as soon as we are going to have offices in the area, that is something we say that we are the best among the worst lot of kitchen equipment.
Okay, let's have another question there. And then, oh, she's here, Jacaranda.
Answered the questions, whatever. But one thing I wanted to just clarify, kitchen can, Sheffield, your kind of